Conducted. Verb, to direct or manage.
Sure. Now, the rear part of a ship or boat.
Bow. The forward part of a ship, boat, or aircraft. Part of speech. Now.
Hold on.
Quivered. Verb, to shake, shiver, and tremble.
Mommy, the sign says do not pet dog. But it's a friendly dog. But it says do not pet it. We'll pet it anyway.
Okay.
I'm gonna die. He's gonna. Go puppy. Navigation. Noun. Skill or process of finding a ship's or aircraft's position and course. This is I'm driving. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right at the next intersection.
What? There's no intersection here. It's just a big tree.
No, it's hard. Turn left.
Adjective. Of this I am outer space.
I am the sun. Explode. Sorry, the moon. Dignified. Having dignity. Noble, stately. Adjective. Thank you, cook. This is not soup. It's pop. Take her to the dungeon. She stays there for eternity. I am dignified of you because you made me pop, and I hate pop. Cargo. Now, load of goods carried by ship, plane, or truck. Little Kingdom 2, the train. Alright, let's load this to take it to Little Kingdom. Alright, let's go. Are you ready?